Hi, this is Uma Sharma and welcome to back my channel Axiom on YouTube. And before starting this video, I will humble request for you and please subscribe my channel and like my videos and press the bell icon. Then you will get notification on my recently updated new videos. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe. So today I will discuss photosynthesis MCQ question. Okay, so let's start the first question. Question number 1. Inhibition of photosynthesis in the presence of O2 in C3 plants is called option A Passer effect, option B Barber effect, and option C Decker effect, and option D hexose monophosphate shunt. Okay, so the answer will be option B Barber effect. Now move the next question. Question number 2. Photorespiration. What is photorespiration and what is the process of photorespiration? Okay, so photorespiration option A occurs because oxygen rather than carbon dioxide linked to the Rubisco enzyme. Yes, is absolutely true. Photorespiration process occurs when oxygen rather than carbon dioxide linked to the Rubisco enzyme. Okay, and option B occur more in C4 than in C3 plants under identical condition. No, and option C describes the uptake of carbon dioxide and the release of oxygen in chloroplast. No, and option D all of the above. No, so the answer will be option A occurs because oxygen rather than carbon dioxide linked to the Rubisco enzyme. Now move the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3. In photorespiration, glycolate and glyoxylate are produced sequentially in the following the correct sequence. Option A chloroplast and mitochondria, and option B chloroplast and peroxisome, and option C peroxisome and mitochondria, and option D peroxisome and chloroplast. So in photorespiration, so you can see in this picture chloroplast, peroxisome and mitochondria, and first I am showing of chloroplast and second picture is showing peroxisome and third one is mitochondria. Okay, so you can see in chloroplast when Rubisco is added in the Calvin cycle, oxygen is included, then 2-phosphoglycolate convert into glycolate, and again glycolate is converted into peroxisome, not a mitochondria. Okay, and this glycolate is converted into glyoxylate, and so chloroplast and peroxisome both are involved, not a mitochondria. Okay, so in photorespiration, glycolate and glyoxylate are produced sequentially in the following. The correct sequence is chloroplast and peroxisome. So the answer will be option B. Question number 4. Synthesis of sucrose during photosynthesis occur in chloroplast? No. Cytosol? Yes. Cytosol. So the answer will be option B cytosol, not a vacuole and not a amyloplast. Next question is question number 5. Which of the following statement is correct with respect to the synthesis of starch? Okay, so option A starch is synthesized in mitochondria and sucrose in the cytosol. Sucrose in the cytosol is correct, but starch is synthesized in the mitochondria is not true. Okay, so option B starch is synthesized in the cytosol and sucrose in the chloroplast. No, and option C starch is synthesized in the chloroplast and sucrose in the mitochondria. No, and starch is synthesized in the chloroplast and sucrose in the cytosol. So the answer will be option D. Starch is synthesized in the chloroplast and sucrose in the cytosol. Okay. Now move the next question. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a regulatory factor of carbon fixation? So the level of acetyl coenzyme in the chloroplast stroma. Okay, which of the following is not a regulatory factor of carbon fixation? The level of acetyl coenzyme in the chloroplast stroma. Not option B the level of ATP and NADPH in the stroma, and not option C pH of the stroma, and not option D magnesium level in the stroma. So the answer will be option A. Next question, question number 7. Which of these statement about thyrodoxine is correct? So option A it contains a heme that cycles between two oxidation states, and option B it's oxidized from predominance while light absorption is taking place, and option C it activates some biosynthetic enzyme by reducing disulfide bridge. So the answer will be option C. It activates some biosynthesis enzyme by reducing disulfide bridge. Okay. Now move the next question. Question number 8. Rubisco. What is the Rubisco? Rubisco is an enzyme. Okay. Rubisco is a complex molecule composed of 8 large subunits and 8 small subunits. Okay, and is the pacemaker enzyme by nuclear genome, and it makes up about 50% soluble protein in chloroplast. Rubisco is the most abundant protein in chloroplast, and it is also said to be the most abundant protein in on the earth. Okay, so its activity is regulated by CO2 or Mg double plus and pH. The optimum pH for Rubisco activity lies around the pH 8. Okay. So when Rubisco act as a carboxylase activity, then CO2 is added. So ribulose biphosphate is convert into ribulose 5-phosphate, and ribulose 5-phosphate is convert again triose phosphate, also known as glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Okay. Then this glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate also again convert into 3-phosphoglycerate. Okay, and in other condition when it act as a oxygenase, so O2 is involved, and glycolate 2-phosphoglycolate convert into glycine, and again glycine is converted into serine. Okay, by the in this process carbonylation reaction is occur, and serine is again converted into glycerate. So and glycerate is again converted into 3-phosphoglycerate. So catalyze the carboxylation of CO2 to Rubisco 1,5-bisphosphate. Yes, option A is right, and option B, initiate photorespiration when the CO2 O2 ratio is low. Yes, this is absolutely correct. So and option C, catalyze the reduction of 2 molecules of PgAl to form glucose node. So the answer will be option D. A, B is correct but not a C. Okay, C is not correct. So the answer will be D. Now move the next question. Question number 9. Which one of the following statement regarding photosynthesis is correct? So light is absorbed by chlorophyll during Calvin cycle. No, because Calvin cycle occur is night, not a light reaction. Okay. And cyclic phosphorylation produce neither oxygen nor NADPH. Yes, because non-cyclic phosphorylation produce oxygen or NADPH. Okay, not a cyclic phosphorylation. So this is a true. So the answer will be option B. Cyclic phosphorylation produce neither oxygen nor NADPH. And the next question is question number 10. During photosynthesis, the final product of Calvin cycle is. So during photosynthesis, the final product of Calvin cycle is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Okay. When carboxylase reaction is occur, so then CO2 is added in this process. Ribulose biphosphate is converted into ribulose 5-phosphate. Then again ribulose 5-phosphate converted into triose phosphate, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. So the final product of in Calvin cycle glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. So the answer will be option D, not option A ribulose biphosphate, and not option B phosphoglycerate, and not option C pyruvate. Okay. Question number 11. 3 molecules of RUPP in C3 cycle are regenerated from. So 3 molecules of RUPP in C3 cycle are generated from 4 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. No. 5 molecules of 3-phosphoglyceric acid, and 5 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Yes, so the answer will be option C, 5 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. And now next question is question number 12. The final product of Calvin cycle is, this is the same question, and I will repeat you. The final product of the Calvin cycle is phosphoglyceraldehyde. Okay. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos.